The octopus is one of the most unusual underwater creatures. It is also called octopus and cephalopod. It is easy to recognize, thanks to its bag-like body and long tentacles with suction cups. The creature is found in the oceans and seas, is able to disguise itself from prying eyes, and has a lot of interesting features. Scientists cannot say for sure when the first octopuses appeared. Since they have no bones in their bodies, but only soft tissues, over time, their bodies completely decompose, leaving no traces. However, on the territory of Lebanon, scientists discovered the remains of a cephalopod, which were preserved inside the fossilized rocks of the soil. Studies have shown that they are 95 million years old. And what is most surprising, in terms of size and structure, the remains completely coincide with the living octopuses. This suggests that over such a huge time period, the creations have not changed in any way. Octopuses are the most numerous cephalopod species. They are divided into two subspecies, differing in their way of life, nomadic and bottom. The former live in the same territory, the latter regularly move underwater in search of more favorable conditions. They are exclusively underwater creatures, they cannot live on land. Their outer shell needs constant moisture and dries quickly in the air. Octopuses have no neck and torso, so the tentacles grow directly from the oval head. The mouth is located in the very center of the lower part, where all the limbs meet. The waste outlet is located at the back of the head. There is a membrane between the tentacles, and they also have 1 to 3 rows of suction cups. The latter are needed in order to keep the prey and prevent it from floating away. Octopus literally sucks food to itself and gradually moves it to its mouth. Since their body contains no bones, octopuses are capable of taking any shape. They are able to completely flatten out along the bottom, like a piece of paper, or curl up into a ball of an ideal shape. Most individuals are pink-brown in color but can also change color like chameleons. This allows you to merge with the environment and become invisible to other creatures. The octopus has many features that allow it to adapt to its environment. Since it is impossible to create a vacuum in water, the suction cups of the cephalopod cannot work in the same way as the rubber counterparts created by man. Because of this, the creature has to control them, straining the muscles on the tentacles. Man makes such an effort when trying to draw in air or liquid through the mouth. The octopus has 3 hearts. Moreover, one serves for the work of the circulatory system, and the other 2 are needed for the normal functioning of the respiratory system. The creatures have blue blood. Some species are capable of emitting poison, and among the octopuses there are such individuals that are considered the most poisonous creatures on Earth. Octopuses come in a variety of sizes. Some individuals can grow only up to a couple of centimeters, while others are capable of boasting dimensions of several meters. In this regard, Dofleon's octopuses are especially famous. One individual has grown to 9.5 meters and weighed 270 kilograms. Creatures live in the seas and oceans, and they try to find areas with warm waters, since in cold ones they become drowsy. As a den, the octopus prefers dark places where it is easy to hide from unwanted eyes. This can be a dark bottom at great depths, a crack in a rock, or a hole in a sunken ship. The easier it is to become invisible in this environment, the better. Most often, cephalopods do not descend to a depth of 150 m, but sometimes people found them, sending special equipment for shooting several kilometers down. These creatures are predators and are able to digest any creature found in the depths of the sea. They feed on fish, mollusks, crustaceans, and even their own kind. Octopuses do not have developed feelings of loyalty and sympathy for their fellows, therefore, during a time of hunger, they can easily eat a smaller octopus. There have even been cases when large individuals attacked sharks, and the latter could not cope with them. The principle of predator hunting is pretty simple. It lays on the bottom, merging with the environment, and waits for the prey to swim by. Then he lunges at her sharply and digs in his tentacles. Having completely wrapped its limbs around the food, the octopus stuffs it into its mouth. There are no teeth in the throat, but it is hard and ribbed, which helps to grind the pieces into porridge. Sometimes the predator misjudges the situation and pounces on two large fish. The latter can fight back and eat the offender herself, or deprive him of a pair of tentacles. But the cephalopods experience practically no pain, and the limbs quickly regenerate. These creatures cannot be called centenarians. They grow rather quickly, and their body wears out rapidly. Because of this, the average duration of octopuses is only 3 years.